the way business is done today is different from the way it was done pre-pandemic.
The content that you put out in any form, but now we're talking in the digital space, it should just be an overflow of the information, the insight, or the knowledge that you already have on the inside of you because you've consumed it.
For you to be successful in your journey, you have to be an active participant in your journey.
So I found my niche for that season of my life. And that niche was finding ways to take this and communicate it with other people's, which is kind of where creative communicators kind of came from.
I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna say that again. Continually upgrade to the highest quality gear that you can comfortably afford. There's also truth to the statement that you get what you pay for.
How can you become relevant? If you notice, the smartest people, the wealthiest people, the most achieved people and companies and industries and infrastructure in the world did not do it by themselves. You can never get to a certain level by yourself. And we need to understand and discern the times we're in and the people that we're having on our journey.
Because if I sit down and I share a video and it's impactful and it's powerful and the message resonates with somebody, and they share it with somebody else who is not in my circle, and then that person shares it with 2-3 people, and that person shares it with 4 or 5 people, and next thing you know, it went from the Americas to the UK down to the Bahamas, then this transformational message, tool, information, or product has now gone beyond just sitting in either in my head or in my hands. And it's a lot more powerful that way. So to me, community and connection and growing is really about expanding the reach of that transformational information that you are curating and creating.
You have to have somebody that's going to tell you the truth. And Charles knows this story. When I was, I was doing a live stream, and I was moving down from New York to the South, and I was a young leader, and I was trying to figure out my way. And I thought that the way that as a military New Yorker, like moving down to the South, we can get stuff done this way. And I had a guy come alongside me, Victor, and I remember what he said to me. And Charles, you remember what he said to me? He said, that stuff don't work down here. And that stuff don't work down here, man.